Hi Claremont, it's really great to see you again. And today's assembly is going to be all about creativity. Creativity can come in lots of different forms: art, music, theatre, ballet, creative thinking. Let's have a look and see what kinds of creativity we can see today. Creativity is really important. It enables your brain to have space to think and grow. And there's no such thing as a bad piece of art, because it's the journey it takes for you to get there that's important, not the finished product. I've got a really exciting activity for you to do next, and you're going to need some paper and some pencils and some pencil crayons, and I'm going to ask your teacher to click on the link that I've sent them for you to have a go and see if you can copy the ideas on the video that I'm going to show you. Have a great day and really enjoy your creative minds. They're wonderful and empowering things. Bye bye.